In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete the Incriminating Data mission in Roblox Wanted. If this tutorial helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. For this mission, we need to collect 3 flash drives and I'll show you exactly where to find them. First, head over to the bank area. Right next to it, you will find the news station building. This is a 3-story building, so head upstairs. On every single floor, you will find several computers to search. Just approach them and press the E key to search. Now, keep in mind that the spawn rates are random. Sometimes you might get all 3 flash drives at once, and other times you might not find a single one. Because of this, it's best to check back every 20 minutes when the area resets. No matter how many you find, go ahead and turn them in. You don't have to bring them all at the same time. As long as you hand in 3 flash drives in total, your mission will be complete. That's how you wrap up the Incriminating Data mission. Thanks for watching.